whakatūwhera mai ngā uri o Ngāti Wheke, ngā mata o Te Pātaka o Rākaihautū. Nā, e pōhiriti ana a Donald Couch I te maria ki te kura o Rāpaki.
Nā mai haere mai ki te wahi nei te wahi o te whare kura ki Rāpaki. I'm proud that it's happened. The people here value what this place represents, which was learning, but this place played a really important role when Rāpaki people had to adjust to the newcomers.
No te tautahi mano warurau whitu te kaumā-ono I whakatūwhera ai te kura, a neke atu I te kotahi rau o ngā tauira I kuraina I reira tai noa I tana whakakapinga I te tau tahi mano iwarau whātekau-mā-ono. He hononga tā ngai tā couch ki te kura nei, mā roto mai I tōna taua. He tauira, he kaako ōmua o te kura hoki.
One important change was that learning was now available to everyone, not just to a selected few within a whānau. And that's what this place represents. My whānau, the Paipatas, my taua was there. I've always looked at my taua as a real example of a bilingual, bicultural person. She knew both languages, knew both cultures. She came back here as a teacher.
Ko hoki mai etahi mata o mua o te kura me etahi mata e hiahia ana ki te haere ki te kura I aua wā, pēnei I a Raihana Parata.
I was too young to come to school, but what I was allowed to do was come across to school. I still did it, and we sat in what we called the shelter because they were all my mates and all the time wanting to go inside and be part of school.
I pakeke mai a Nathan Pōhio I te whakahau o te kura I ngā tau waru te kau, me tāna hiahia kia pupuri tonu I ētahi wāhanga tawhito o tēnei whakahau.
I know that there's been actually quite a lot of replacing, and I can see that the materials that have had to be replaced have been replaced in the style of the existing, so they merge into one another seamlessly. I don't think you can tell where an older material exists and a new one begins. I think that's a beautiful part of this whare.
Me te manako hoki, ka tū te kura nei hei whare wānanga mō Ngāti Wheke mo te Pātaka Rākaihautū whānui.
I understand the tangatiaki have already planned a meeting here tomorrow. It's not going to stand idle for very long. That's exactly what we want to see, and it will be like the whare itself. There's no problem getting bookings. Lots of people want to come back here and do things.
What's our hope? That there's lots of wānanga here, that our children will be told all the past about what this place was all about, because we need to go back to move forward.
Ka tū tonu te whare, te kura o Rāpaki, haere nei te wā. Shakayla Andrews, Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo